Xiaomi unveiled the Xring O1 on Thursday as its first in-house chipset for the Xiaomi 15S Pro, and details of the chipset have now surfaced online, and it is a 3nm chip that is built using Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing companies TSMC's advanced N3E process technology, which was also used by Apple, MediaTek and Qualcomm for their own 3nm process. The Xring O1 will be available on smartphone in China, and it features a 10-core CPU, a 6-core NPU and a 16-core GPU. A die shot of the new Xring O1 posted by user Kurnal on X gives us a closer look at the new chipset from Xiaomi. According to the user, the new Xiaomi Xring O1 has a die area of 114.7 square mm and components take up 109.5 square mm of space. As a result, Xiaomi's 3nm SoC is as small as rival flagship chipset, which are also built using TSMC's N3E process technology. The die shot also reveals the layout of various components including the CPU, GPU and NPU cores on the new chip. And the die shot also reveals that the Xring O1 will offer support for LPDDR5T RAM at 9600 Mbps, and it also features a sensor hub and an unidentified encryption code. The chip doesn't reveal the presence of a modem, which means that the Xiaomi 15S Pro will be equipped with another modem. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.